Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Taylor Swift's The Fate of Ophelia music video outfit. It is the kind of swimwear outfit. I love her album. Do you guys like it? I hope you like it. You better like it. Okay? I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's get started with the video. I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on as per usual. For the hair, I just used the New Wednesday hair and the toggle tidy bangs. No adjustments made, and I just colored it like this blonde color. I know it looks weird from the back, but it looks fine from the front. So use this beanie in this color 729CA3 in glitter. Position the Y to 0.47, Z 0.43, rotate the X to 0.54, and scale it to 0.37. Use this head scarf in the first toggle in the same color in glitter. Position the Y to 0.42, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.53, and scale it to 0.30. Then we are going to go to the dressing rooms. We're going to go to Christmas first. We're going to grab this, and I'm just going to color it kind of the same as the outfit later. Let's just ignore this first. I'm just going to go to the summer section, and I'm just going to get this bathing suit here in glitter on the first color, and we're going to color it A2DCE6. And then for the trim, the same as the hat in glitter, and then the last one just in white in glitter. I think I'm just going to leave the color of the feather boa the same color-ish. Get money first. Then we're going to grab these shoes. I'm not going to color it, I'm just going to add glitter to it. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Oh, I actually colored it the wrong way. Sorry. The bow should be blue, the trim should be white, and the bow should be blue. Okay, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!